And
I want to be a vet when I grow up. A vet helps the community by helping dogs and cats and all kinds of animals. They wear vests, gloves, and lighted headbands. Some tools they need are stethoscopes, thermometers, an X-ray, and needles. I want to be a vet because I like animals. Some more cool facts are.
oh no, she's got some cool facts that we talked about.
I don't remember them. Maybe you could just try to. Or you can make them up.
Oh.
You can make them.
What about the kinds of animals they work with, Ireland? Oh, please stand up so we can see.
I remember.
Okay.
Big animals and small animals.
And what are some places where they work?
That's a hard one. I got it. An office.
Uh-huh. Office.
Hospital.
Animal hospital. Another place that started with a Z.
The zoo.